In this video, I will explain you how to find someone you played with on Roblox. So there are two ways to do that. So the first one is to simply click on friends. So as you can see here on the left side, and here you can see your friends list. Now basically here, when you see your friends, you can also see what game they are currently playing and you can join them. Now, before we continue with this video, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Now, the last option is to simply click on messages, and as you can see, your inbox will be opened. So here you can find different conversations with your friends, and you can basically see with which players you played on Roblox basically. So that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.